Good morning. Excellent live stream yesterday for those who attended, of course. Lots of money to be made. I think only just the one error, but we'll come to that. Copenhagen Man City could have laid that draw at 1-1, but it came before half time. I was looking forward to that second half. Most of our trades yesterday were involved in the English leagues. When you see sides lowly in the league lay that draw, that was the case for that match. Two strugglers. Elsewhere, Desmond Tutu at Norwich and Watford. We got the Hull come from behind. If you went into the match odds, you'd have made a nice profit as well as the +1. Bristol City Southampton, this is one where it was difficult to have a play because Bristol City have been keeping top sides to only 1-0 defeats or 1-0 wins. So this would have been a loss because I was expecting Bristol City to remain at 1-0 or at the worst for Southampton to equalise. So that's just didn't go the way of the seasonal form. Really good performance from Harry Connick Jr. and old Dickie and Mr. Bell, Alexander Graham. It's good stuff, but a losing play, that one. In English League One, let's have a look through. Leyton Orient did get a goal before half time for Leyton Orient, and this was another excellent late lay of the 3-3. They've been having a pattern throughout the match of coming from behind Leyton Orient to take the lead again. They did so at 3-3. Excellent play. Nice bit of fun there. Portsmouth could have laid that draw there, but again, I think it came just before half time. I was looking forward to the second half there. Shrewsbury and Barnsley got the Barnsley equaliser very quickly. Good call from Stephen Francis in the live stream. Barrow and Forest Green could have made a profit on the 1-1 initially. Got involved again with insurance on the 1-2. So got out of that unscathed. Good result for Forest Green. Not quite to our usual expectation. Gillingham came from behind to get a draw at least. We did lay Notts County 0-2 up at very short odds, but alas, Newport didn't score the next goal. They did score, but not the next goal. Got the Salford equaliser late on at 2-2. Good stuff there. So all in all, it was an excellent night. Only for those who attend the live stream, of course. You will get the odd play on Telegram. There's nothing like seeing it all unveil in front of your eyes. Champions League, I make no excuses for not researching any of the Champions League. We've got to be favouring Paris Saint-Germain. Sociedad will be pleasantly surprised to be this deep into the tournament. Interesting, it's the first of two legs, so it's only really half time. I don't like playing these matches myself. Bologna and Fiorentina, the market says 2.25 the favourite. Only 4 defeats for Bologna. They're unbeaten in 11 at home, so you've got to slightly favour them today. Fiorentina are yet to win, failed to score in 3 out of 4 matches against the top 8. But the market is giving Bologna a chance. That's the problem. Looking down, I think we've just got the English Championship, so I won't be doing a live stream this evening. There's not enough matches, I'm afraid. You want a nice busy coupon like yesterday's, where we've got the choice. We've got the choice of what to play and not because of the volume of matches. New management for Huddersfield could see them improve again. They got 3 goals against Southampton and were leading at one stage. '21st in the league, desperate need for points. Sunderland only one away defeat against 16th and lower. 3 goals scored on 3 occasions, so they could outscore Huddersfield today. But new manager, got to be very wary of these new managers because they can instill some real change. Look at Salford. Plymouth against Coventry. Both teams come into this in good form. It's making it difficult for us to discount Plymouth, who aren't the favourites. Both teams to score is a possible here. 2+ goals scored recently by both teams as well. I would slightly favour Coventry. Their defeats have tended to come against the top 14 away, but they are playing 15th today. Preston and Middlesbrough, 10th against 12th, another tight match. No 0-0 at home for Preston, so that might be something to go to war with. Both teams have scored in the last 6 for Middlesbrough. Again, 2.15 the favourite. It's very tough to read. Stoke against QPR. Again, no odds on favourite here. Relegation 6-pointer of sorts. 20th against 22nd. So this is one of those, like the Birmingham match, you would look to lay any late draw because 3 points are far better than 1 for these relegation sides. Millwall against Ipswich. 4 losses and a draw for Millwall latest. They did score against Coventry but lost. That was a good trade. 18th against 4th. Your natural inclination is towards 4th in the league, who have scored 2+ goals in 3 of the last 4 matches, albeit with just the 1 win. They're unbeaten home and away against 11th and lower Ipswich, and they're playing 18th today. And that's it for this evening. So no live stream this evening. I might be on Telegram, but I might take the evening off because I put in a big shift yesterday for those who attended. PAOK against Panathinaikos. This is the Greek Cup, so it doesn't have that much interest. Thursday is going to be very quiet as well. Thursday is simply Cup night throughout Europe and the Europa League and Europa Conference League. I might be up for one of those. Again, we've got to react purely via the in-play stats. Getting deeper into the competition, is the market going to be more accurate? We'll soon find out. So I hope you enjoyed last night. Plenty of profit to be had. Really good to see those of you who came. Hope to see more of you coming along. We've now got an excellent channel at YouTube where you can do a really good live stream and you can watch it afterwards as well. So it's plenty of interest if you want to look at how to trade matches in play. You can review a live session and see the decisions we made, why we made some, why we didn't, why we chose this market, etc. That's my yawn because of a late night last night. So have a great evening. Probably only going to be on Telegram this evening.